Where to find the call forwarding settings on your Nothing Phone 2 phone. And of course, this is with a function and working SIM card. And just for demonstration purposes, I'll show you how to get there. I won't be able to access it because my SIM card isn't functional. It's an old SIM card. So what you're going to do is with the SIM card in there and your data actually working, you'll go to the phone app itself here and you'll tap on the three dots right up here at the top right. And once there, go to settings. And under the settings section here, you'll go to where it says calling accounts. As you enter into the calling accounts section here, you'll see your network provider name there for your carrier here. And when you tap on it here, it's going to take you there and you'll see call forwarding. Now for me, once again, if I tap on it, it's going to give me that error message, but you can see the options to the back here, always forward, when busy, when unanswered. And that's where you can go ahead and change these settings for yourself. Okay, so try it out. Let me know in the comments section. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Like and sub. Okay, thanks for watching.